Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart for Home. Today we're diving into the world of Fire TV Recast, a great way to enjoy over-the-air TV through your Amazon devices. Step 1. Unboxing and setup. Let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box, you'll find the Fire TV Recast itself, a power adapter, a quick start guide, and an antenna. First, connect the antenna to the Fire TV Recast. Place the antenna in a location where it can receive a good signal, preferably near a window or high up for optimal reception. Next, plug in the power adapter and connect the Fire TV Recast to your TV and home network using the included Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi. Step 2. Setting up Fire TV Recast. Once powered on, your TV will guide you through the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Fire TV Recast to your Amazon account and Wi-Fi network. During setup, the Fire TV Recast will scan for available channels in your area. This may take a few minutes, but it ensures you get all the channels you can access. Step 3. Using Fire TV Recast. Now that everything is set up, let's explore how to use the Fire TV Recast. From your Fire TV device, navigate to the Live tab to access Live TV. Here, you'll find all the channels available through your Fire TV Recast. To record a show, simply find it in the program guide and select Record. The Fire TV Recast will store recorded shows on its built-in storage. To watch recordings, head to the DVR tab on your Fire TV and select the show you want to watch. It's that easy. Step 4. Managing Fire TV Recast. You can manage your Fire TV Recast settings through the Amazon Fire TV app on your smartphone. From here, you can schedule recordings, manage storage, and more. If you ever run into issues like poor signal or connectivity problems, check the antenna placement and ensure your Wi-Fi network is stable. Conclusion. And there you have it. Setting up and using the Fire TV Recast is a breeze, giving you access to over-the-air TV channels and the ability to record your favorite shows effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.